number 8, Shira Janine Monsanto.
Next, we have our first runner-up. The first runner-up will receive a cash prize of 75,000 pesos, jewelry set worth 50,000 pesos from Oro Galleria Fine Jewelry, sash, bouquet of flowers, trophy, gift bags from Dr. Wong's Lightening System, and 50,000 pesos worth of dental services from Amor Dental.
Miss Cebu 2022 first runner-up will also receive gift items from Macy's Camera Shop, scholarship on Best Beauty and Brain from Thames Business School, room gift certificates or vouchers from Philly, overnight stay in at Safari Camp, Cebu Safari and Adventure Park, overnight stay at Candaya Resort, an overnight stay for 2 at 150 Peakway Mountain Resort, and of course, golf lessons from Alta Vista Golf and Country Club.
And to present the award to the first runner-up, our Cebu City Tourism Commission Chair, Honorable and Attorney Joy Pesquera, Vice Mayor Don Hontiveros, Attorney Michael Toledo, Chairman of the Board of Judges, and Miss Cebu 2012, Pierre Antler Infante.
Where smiles are given to you for free. Come to the heart of the audience first.
All right. Remember that the first runner-up is a very important position because in the event that the reigning Miss Cebu cannot fulfill her duties and responsibilities, our first runner-up will automatically take her place. Our first runner-up is... Candidate number 4, Danica Ann Ocampo.
Celebrate Cebu. Celebrate Cebu. Another love exciting things for me and for you. Celebrate Cebu. Celebrate Cebu. A never-ending festivity. Let's dance and be happy.
Our Miss Cebu 2022 will receive cash prize of 100,000 pesos, round-trip tickets to USA with accommodation, and will visit Los Angeles and Sacramento in California, Las Vegas and Reno in Nevada, Houston, Texas, Tampa, Florida, and from Ambassadore Healthcare Clinic Incorporated. Your health, our mission. Jewelry set worth of 80,000 pesos from Oro Galleria Fine Jewelry, trophy, sash, bouquet of flowers, and gift bags from Dr. Wong's Lightning System.
She will also receive 100,000 pesos worth of dental services from Amor Dental, gift item from Macy's Camera Shop, scholarship on Best Beauty and Brain from Thames Business School, room gift certificates and vouchers from Ducetani Cebu, overnight stay at Safari Camp from Cebu Safari and Adventure Park, overnight stay at Candaya Resort for 2, an overnight stay for 2 from 150 Peakway Mountain Restaurant, and golf lessons from Alta Vista Golf and Country Club, as well as an overnight stay at Amihan Beach Cabanas.
Miss Cebu 2022 will automatically be the Miss Ambassadore. She will receive an additional 10,000 pesos, cash, a sash, a bouquet of flowers, and a plaque.
And to present the award for Miss Ambassadore is Miss Emeline Baño Alcantara.
And to award and crown our Miss Cebu 2022, the Quincentennial Cebuana, please give a big round of applause to the man whose Miss Cebu is his passion project, the man who gave us back Miss Cebu after 6 years. Daghang salamat to our Honorable Mayor Michael L. Rama and his beautiful and stunning wife, Madam Malu Rama.
Thanks for me and for you. Celebrate Cebu. Celebrate Cebu. A never-ending festivity. Let's dance.
Okay, one last chance. Kinsay Miss Cebu.
Celebrate Cebu.
Come on, Cebu. Who will it be? Miss Cebu 2022, the Quincentennial Cebu.